This message has been brought by the National Weather Service. Please stand by for the following emergency alert system tone. According to the National Weather Service, we are in a thunderstorm warning. The radar shows here that we're about to be in the green zone. If this gets lifted up to a tornado warning or a tornado emergency, we will issue a tornado warning at this time. Thank you for listening to this emergency alert system. We will now return you to regular programming.